In this video, I am going to highlight Builderall's feature of the Cheetah Drag and Drop Website Builder. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a website. And with Builderall's ready-made templates, you can do so very easily. So where I'm at right now, ladies and gents, I'm in my back office at Builderall, and depending on what plan you have, you may or may not see these different areas here. You'll see video tag tools and pixel perfect site builders. It can be a little overwhelming, all the tools that Builderall has. But today we're just going to focus on this one great tool here, is the Cheetah Drag and Drop Website Builder. So when you log on to your account, you'll see this in your back office, and you'll click enter to the Cheetah Drag and Drop Website Builder. And once you click on it, it'll load up and it'll take you here into where you start building your website. And very, very simple, very minimal. When you want to create a new website, you click here and you have to title that website. And this is just for test purposes. This is uncut, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm doing this in live time here. So it just gives you an idea what to expect if you want to try this system out. So let's select test Cheetah. Let's do that. And here at the bottom right, you can select the template. Now these are pre-made templates, and when I click on it, you'll see, but I'll leave off the blank template for now, because really that's kind of like starting from scratch. But even doing so, you can get into more branding and things like that. But now, to keep things from being complicated, let's select the template pre-made, click next, and you see what I mean here? It's pre-made templates such as spa and facials, martial arts, dental, business resumes, the different languages. And that's the beauty of Builderall as well. They're constantly expanding their platform, because Builderall is an all-in-one platform for digital marketing, website building, email marketing. Oh man, it's so many different things that Builderall can do for your business. But let's say, by way of example, just to give you an idea, we won't go over all of these features, but this will show you how quick it is to get started. So let's preview this pre-made template website here, and this is for fitness. And again, all you would do if you chose this template, you would go in, you would add your logo. You can change that to your logo there. You can even change these pictures once you're into the editor to edit these images. You can change these images to what you would like, put your nice description there, and boom, here's a little button here that you can click on, and you can send someone to another page. You can send them to an offer, for example, if you're an affiliate or something like that. Very simple, very easy, and it walks you right through it. And again, just want to go back again to the feature here in the beginning, and how Builderall truly is worldwide. When you see this little GE here, it goes to the different languages. Notice the preferred languages, and I'm not going to even begin to say like I know what all those languages are. I know Espanol, English, and different things like that. I think they even have Russian, Japanese right here. So many different languages you can create your website in. So I'm not going to build a website out, but I just want to show you how easy it is to create those websites just from the templates that they offer. So check it out, guys. It's a wonderful feature. Here again is some niche funnels that you can create to capture those emails. Perhaps you want to get leads. And again, they have a premium package that offers, 15,000 leads and up to 15. I know it's up to 15 domains. Don't quote me on the leads, but you get thousands of leads with that premium offer. And many people use this platform to generate leads for businesses, and certain businesses will pay them a monthly fee to capture leads for them. So that in itself is a job all in itself. You can create a wonderful business with just this one tool that's out there. So there you go, guys. Builderall's Cheetah drag and drop, easy made for you templates. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description. You can just check it out. They have a 14-day free trial, and if you don't like it, you don't have to get it. So just want to leave that with you. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.